KENWOOD Viking radios bring together the proven Viking P25 software expertise and KENWOOD's recognized hardware quality and reliability. What makes the KENWOOD Viking radios better? KENWOOD's Perpetual software license program allows you to transfer eligible feature licenses to a different radio. You bought the software license, you own it. P25 software feature options can exceed 70% of your total radio price every time you buy a new radio. You can move the licenses you own to a new radio using Vault. Vault is KENWOOD's free cloud-based asset management tool. The Vault dashboard shows the value of your software licenses and allows you to manage all your radios and all software licenses. Vault quickly transfers Perpetual software licenses from an old radio and stores it in your Vault account. Then, when you're ready to assign licenses, you can transfer them to a new radio. When will you benefit from Perpetual licensing? When your radio is lost. When your radio is damaged. When your radio is stolen. When it is time to upgrade to a new radio. In all these scenarios, Perpetual licensing saves you the cost of having to repurchase the same license when buying a replacement radio. With KENWOOD's Perpetual software license program and Vault, you get the lowest total cost of ownership in the P25 market.